Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are building a simple and fun visit counter project using Arduino Nano, two IR sensors, OLED display, and a relay. When someone enters, the counter increases. When they exit, it decreases. And when the counter is more than 0, the relay turns on. When it's 0, the relay automatically turns off. So without further ado, let's start this video.
If you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon so you can get notified about my new videos. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I have a second channel, Canitech, do check it out as well. Subscribe and support it. All the links are in the description.
We are using two IR proximity sensor placed at entrance. If the first sensor triggers before the second sensor, it means someone entered. If second sensor triggers before the first sensor, someone exited. The counter updates in real time on the OLED display. So these are all the components we're gonna need for this project: Arduino Nano, an OLED display, two IR proximity sensors, BC547 transistor, 1N4148 diode, LED, 100 ohm resistor, 1K resistor, 5 volt relay, two 2-pin terminal blocks, and some jumper wires. First, connect Arduino. The IR sensors are connected to Arduino's pin D2 and D3. VCC pin connects to 5 volt pin of Arduino. Ground pin connects to ground pin on Arduino. OLED display connects via I2C port to Arduino. Its VCC pin connects to 5 volt pin of Arduino. Its SDA pin to A4 pin of Arduino. Its SCL pin to A5 pin of Arduino. And its ground pin to ground pin on Arduino. Then connect a BC547 transistor and connect its pin number 3 to ground. Now connect a 1K resistor and connect its one pin to D5 pin on Arduino and its other pin to pin number 2 of the transistor. Now connect the 5 volt relay and connect its one coil pin to 5 volt pin on Arduino and its other coil pin to pin number 1 of the transistor. Now connect 1N4148 diode and connect its cathode to 5 volt supply and its anode to pin number 1 of the transistor. Now connect an LED and connect its cathode to pin number 1 of the transistor. Now connect a 100 ohm resistor and connect its one pin to 5 volt supply and its other pin to anode of the LED. Now connect a 2-pin terminal block and connect its one pin to 5 volt pin on Arduino and its other pin to ground. Now connect another 2-pin terminal block and connect its one pin to common terminal of relay and its other pin to normally open terminal of the relay. So we have completed all the connections and our circuit is completed. Now let's see the code. So this is the Arduino code. Now let's upload this code to Arduino and test the project. So we have uploaded the code. Now let's test it. As we cross the first sensor, then the second sensor, the count goes up and relay turns on. Now when we exit, triggering the second sensor first, then the first sensor, the count goes down. Once it hits 0, the relay turns off. So that's it, a simple visit counter with Arduino, easy to build, super useful and fun to play with. If you like this project, hit the like button and subscribe for more DIY projects. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.